Hi there, welcome to MTurk Guide. Today I had a question. Somebody was asking about how I deal with HITScraper and pandas. So what happens with HITScraper is when you find, and I have this actually running right now, just so you know, that's why it keeps changing. When you have something that you're interested in, what you do is you hit the price, the reward, and that brings you right to the hit, and if it's available, it will accept it for you. And if it's not available, you'll be able to put a Panda link together. So I'm going to grab this Andrew Culver real quick, and I'm going to see if there's one available. And there's not. Okay, so I wasn't quick enough. Somebody else grabbed that other Andrew Culver wedding photo categorization that people tend to like. So what happens is when I open it up, this says there's nothing available for me. And what I can do is, as long as I have my Turk Master up in a window and my Panda Crazy up in a window, I can either click this and put together a Turk Master Panda to watch that particular hit, see if it comes back, or I can put together, or I can hit either Panda to get a bunch of them rolling in when they come in, or if I just want one, I'd hit once and it will go into my Panda Crazy. So if I hit once, hit once right here, and then I go into Panda Crazy, and please ignore the fact that I have a gajillion boxes in my Panda Crazy. That's something I intend on fixing. But if I go all the way to the bottom, you'll see that it is right here and it's searching for that particular hit that I just asked it to search for. So that's how I would deal with something that doesn't have anything left again. Now, if it does have something left, that's a different scenario. And let me see if I can find one that I know will have something left. We'll just go with a 411 Richmond. Okay. So I'm going to open it up. And hopefully I clicked on the right one. I did. Okay, so it'll accept it for me. That means it's in my queue. But let's say I'm thinking, geez, I want to create a Panda link for this because I want to be collecting more in the background. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can see that it's already actually, hopefully you can see, yeah, you can see this. It actually is already set up the Panda link for you, the preview and accept. So you could copy this and then go back to your Turk Master or back to Panda Crazy and just go ahead. Go ahead and put that in to those tools. But the easier way to do it is actually, again, here are these buttons, right? This is your Turk Master button. These are your Panda Crazy button. Just hit those buttons and go ahead and put it together, and then it will work in Turk Master or Panda Crazy. So that's kind of the simplest version of how I manage my pandas with HITScraper. Again, you're looking for either batches or you're looking for one-offs, and then you've got to kind of manage, depending on which tool you're using, what you want to save and look for at different intervals, and what and that's something that I can't really answer for folks. It's, as time goes on, you'll kind of decide what you really want to search for and you like to do, and other things that if they're there, you'll do them, and if not, you're okay too. So hopefully that helps a little bit with the link between pandas and HITScraper and how I use them. Don't hesitate to ask more questions though, and let me know if I didn't get exactly what you were looking for, because terminology is confusing at times, and sometimes what one person says and means translates differently to different people. So absolutely let me know if I answered the question, and if not, just let me know what other questions you have, and I will continue to pump out the webcasts, and hopefully we'll get them answered for you. All right, well, it's 11:30 here on the East Coast, and I am heading to bed. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night.